Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good afternoon, my people. I greet you all. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I greet you all. Now, well done. Now, well done. You can help me share this video, and those of you that are helping me to share, love, like, thank you all so much. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you all for sharing. Thank you all for sharing. Those that always help me to share, God bless you all. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. It is nice. It is nice whenever you make a video and you have people who always help you to share your words out. It is really, really helpful. Thank you all so much, my people. I greet you now. What thing I want to talk about this afternoon? My people will be say that they do saga. Doing saga, but at the same time playing with or toying. They toy with children life. You know, good. I beg, make una stop. If you want do your saga, but remove children. Remove children for all these things where una they do. You know good. You know good. You know good. Because you they do saga, you they threatening people, children. Not be good thing. Not be good thing. May you not go use your mouth to talk with you. You're not supposed to they talk for live video. Threatening of people's life is against the crime, is against the law, is a big crime. It's a big crime for you to threaten people. It's a big crime. And so you go buy people, children, all because of saga, all because you want to talk, all because you want to say something. It is very, very bad and very, very dangerous of you to do. Because if people start labeling that allegation against you, it's going to be a very big thing. Don't threaten people's children. Don't threaten people. Don't. I go do you this, I go do you that. It is many people that they do things out of ignorance. You understand? And those things, it can lead you into trouble. It can lead you into anything. God forbid anything happen to that person. You will be held responsible because you don't already threaten that person. And more so, mothers are now coming out to threatening people's children. I go kill your pikin. I go do this. I go do that. It is uncalled for. It is uncalled for. If you want to talk to a person, talk to that person. If you want to insult that person, insult that person. But don't threaten people. Don't threaten people. You can be persecuted for it. You can go in for it. Because all this threat of 18, a lot of people don't know the meaning. A lot of people don't know the meaning that when you threaten somebody, it's a crime. It's a crime. It is a big crime. But some people, they talk as if say maybe for talking sake, but they don't really know the repercussion of it. Somebody that you're not threatening is or a child, and you think that person will just keep quiet. All because you are making live video or you are getting viewer or you are getting this. No, it's not a good thing, eh? It's not a good thing. Doing live video, you can talk, you can insult. You can do whatever you feel like you want to do, but don't threaten people's life. Don't threaten people's life. Don't say you want to do this. You want to buy this. You want to buy this one, children. You want to do this one, children. You want to do this one, children. For God's sake, children. Whereby you yourself, you call yourself a mother. You call yourself a mother. And you are threatening to take other people's children's life on social media, in the public space. Oh my God. Some people, they fear them, eh? They fear them. Because when I say they fear them, you know if you say you they do social media thing and you begin to threaten people. Person where you threatening now, if you carry that video where you do, go carry and go meet police. Go carry and go meet police. You can be in trouble for it. Not be everybody they take threatening likely. Not be everybody doing social media thing. Be cautious of what you are doing. Be very, very conscious of what you are doing. Be very, very conscious of what you are saying to people. Be very, very conscious of what you are saying to people. You can call anything, you can cause anything possible. But don't go as far as you want to threaten people. You want to threaten somebody. Or you want to threaten their children. It is very, very dangerous. You can go in for it. But some people, they don't know. Because it never happened for their front. Or somebody never go in for their front. Or they never find them because of waiting that they talk. Because of waiting that they talk. Or in this social media issue. Or this social media saga. He put some people for behind bar. Some people going for it, especially the one where I see this afternoon. A mother, they threaten, say, he go kill other people, children. A mother, a woman at that. They fear some of una for this social media. The thing can't they be like, say, whether na depression, they cause all this abnormality talk. Me, I not gonna know. Whether na frustration, they cause all this abnormality talk. I not gonna know. You are just on live video, you begin to say, now so I go buy this one picking. I go buy this one picking. I must take from this one picking. I must take from this one picking. And you feel say, if that video go land for police station, they no get who go translate for them. And you no go get problem from her. When it be say, not be one person you threaten. Not be two person you threaten. Not be three. You go going for it, oh, na problem. Na problem. And you will be monitored. You will be mama, you the threatening say you want buy people children. Then many go you are also giving the idea maybe to the social worker or to the police that you are also not capable of taking care of your own children. That your children's life is also at risk in your own very hand. In your own very hand. Some people, they cannot take the truth when you are telling them the truth. Please help me to share this video. Because the video I just saw, I watched a little clip of it. I was like, what? A mother threatening other people's children that she is going to do this to their children. She's going to do that to their children. In this 21st century. It don't tire me, eh? The way some of you guys are turning Facebook into something kind of devilish. It's devilish. Nobody don't know anything. But how you won't come do something? The next thing you go carry and come Facebook on the tell them say, I must do you this, I must do you this, I must do you this, I must do you this. And of which you know say, these things where you they talk for public place, these people can use it to get you down. Because now you threatening. God forbid say something can happen to that person. You don't already threaten it. You know, this word for mouth and a egg. Sometimes you have to be very, very careful when you are throwing it out. Because the moment it don't break, oh, come on me, like you say. Come on me, Odowo. Hope everyone, they are good. Come on me. You see, these words, na egg, the moment you don't throw them out, you can never pick it again. And if some people are fast, they can already take that video. And they can go and use that video to make problem with you, to make case with you. to make case with you that they are not safe, that their children are not safe. Please, people have to caution themselves. Unity, agreed. Good afternoon. Always caution yourself. Prosper, I greet you, my brother. Always caution yourself on whichever thing that you are saying out of social media, out of your mouth. Caution yourself, because the world are watching. The whole world, they have ear. Don't come out because you are so hungry. We are fine. Obvious, everyone is good there. You know, don't come and make your life a drama that people will want to watch and say, oh, I die no. You know, I die no. I die no. You didn't threaten one person, not two, not three, not four, not five. You want to do them this, you want to do them this, you want to do them this. And these are people who are not in Africa. They can Tunisia you or write a petition against you that their children's life is not safe. You already threatening their children. You already threatening their children. It is not a good thing. Please, whenever you want to say anything on social media, always caution yourself. Whenever you want to do drama, you know, there are some certain drama like the one our sister was doing one time with, that one is gone, but that is going too far. You understand? Those are things of going too far. You cannot bring spirituality or ritual things into social media and then you want people to now see you like a saint. You are no longer a saint. Everybody, whether you mean it or you don't mean it, but people will now start seeing you as a demonic person. People will now be running away from you because nobody can trust you anymore. Ababa Iwana, good afternoon. I greet. You know, leave children out of your saga. Don't threaten people's life. It is very, very dangerous. It is very, very dangerous. You can go in for it. You can go in for it. You know, if I saw ni yedo ya tonona. If I saw awe mi bagbona. We ma do manu we ya fiuk bege ni do manerere ero wanu. No ya we gbe mi. O samo ba na ege mi so no dai. E video no we ya ha wo we aya gbe nori ka we aya gbe nori do we gbe ni. E video ni ya amula jan we o na so no dai. Whatever any trauma no man go through in life o hin aka we wo we dai. That emi nu khai no. Oyibo then get translator. Then get who they translate for them. The video you make, whether na Bini or they speak now as I they speak Bini, so they say they talk am. That video where you make, then go see go call Bini person, come make it come translate. Make it come translate waiting there that video. Then you will come to say you not talk, so you not mean her. It don't already, the whole world don't see her. And God forbid another person can't go do her. Oh, slay shine, Obavan. God forbid another person waiting you talk from out, you not mean her. God forbid another person can't help you. Go carry out the drama. What will you do? And you talk something, you not mean now, but another person can't help you go execute them. How now you can't take the naira? When it be say, your video don't already did the public place, say, you want do this, you want do that, you want do that. I beg my people, especially my Edo people, know how to use your Facebook. Oh. Know how to use your Facebook. Don't go and be threatening people. All this drama that is just going on, somebody bring you pop, begin they do isobo, they do all those things. All those are drama taken too far. They are drama taken too far. You might be doing it on social media. Maybe somebody else who is more devilish and spiritually indoor will just pick up from where you stop and go and do something else. But you also now coming out to say, I'm going to take this one life. I'm going to take the other one life. I'm going to take the other one life. I'm going to take the other one life. Life that you didn't create. Life that you didn't create, you want to take. In a public place. Not even indoor. But you are telling the whole world that you are going to do this. In a Western world. Especially iyana mi wa no ido so bonyare newe. O ma be nyana hu yan agbo bi so yen ma be no ya agbo bi yen de to yan agi assassin do ya gbe yan mo yen ma de to yan agi ma do ya kidnapping yan mo yen ma you are in problem. Mind always no. Some people I don't know. Sometimes they go say illiteracy is a disease. But sometimes not be all illiteracy be disease. Sometimes you go see people where be say they don't even carry bag near school. But then go just get that brain. We be say they themselves, then go take they know what thing that they do. You are talking in a public place. And people are still telling you you are going too far. Don't do this. Don't say this. You not care. You not care. But you feel say, or you both then get authority. They know waiting a lot of things mean. Especially when people don't go cry, go meet them, say, see. And moreover, involve children. And you get children for inside house. So you way say you want go buy another person picking. Automatically then go see and say, your own children too not safe with you. Your own children is not safe with you. Because sometimes these words, that's why most times, if they say they collect person picking, this one picking, I know they like to talk put. Because some mothers who are depressed, sometimes they go too far. Sometimes they go too far. Even by school gates, you can see how depressed mother they act, they even behave with their own children. With their own children. Before they take person picking, they're not just they say because of one mistake they'll go carry your picking. No, they be like that. But all this threatening of a thing, when you start to threaten, you are threatening, especially when something has to do with life. They themselves will also know, the social worker, the police, they will start monitoring you, monitoring your children, because they want to also know whether your own children are safe with you. Because anybody that is depressed can do anything doable. Sometimes they can use their own children to start first. So please mind whatever you say in this social media. It is not everything that is fun. It's not everything that is fun, yo. To go threaten somebody's life is a crime. It's a big crime. It's a crime. Especially when it has to do with children and you have children indoor. You have children indoor. Automatically, you are also using your hand to create problem to yourself too. You are using your hand to create problem to yourself. You might say it out of anger. You might also say it out, but out of anger is not just one person. It's not two, it's not three, it's not four. A lot. A lot. And those are people that can report you. Report you. They can report you, which is not a good thing. And moreover, what you say now, if they take that video to wherever they can take it to, and they cry for justice for their children, that their children's life is no longer safe, they don't know whether you are going to send somebody. You are in trouble. Don't be surprised tomorrow the police will come and knock at your door. It is your video that is taking you there. Before you come to live video, especially with anger, sometimes control your words. Control your words. Don't go and let other people do something on your name. On your name. Oyibo too. Oyibo, iyawe hemi no evudu. Ebo hemi no evudu. Ebo so iyawe pe yowe ni ariazin. Ebo so we pe yebo, iyawe hemi no evudu. So warafi iwe wage, maybe abo lakba ni rewe bogi yama hemi no evudu. Uwa toge. Iyawe hemi no evudu. Iyawe di mini. And iyawe hemi na yawu. Iyawe hemi na yawu. A lot can go extra length. When they go extra miles to see the end. To see the end. Please, careful with your words on social media. Careful with your words. Don't threaten people because anything can happen. Anything can happen and you will go in for it. You might also lose your own children. All in the name you are threatening somebody. All in the name you are threatening somebody. Let's say now, for example, people start filing case against you now because of your threats. Then your Facebook will be brought down. And that video will be wiped out. But a lot of people has already caught that video. And those people might even say, oh, we might, maybe, you will save. Because, a social media we maniviedo, emenado bege, kebo, kickback berao, kemiyao, agidoya we social media. Agidoya we social media, agive threatening a mo, he threatening a we ya, or my mo you know where yagbe we mo, yagbuomo, Onwa mume. Only the when I dog of your money. Oh, we are do yari who monia. Where's your when or how we are bomber? Where's your name? Where are you cadove who money? A dog when no lay home bomber. Where do I brag if a social media who are boy a mammo? Oh, well. Wagiama deve na ya gwa be social media. Ma ya take mani boom inya mwegbe ni ya see to the end. Mani ma soro no wa mwegbe where I must get to the bottom of this thing. Ora gize so yo gbale gboru so yin aru so jun yin awon ya pegbe office. Yin ga hi pegbe by force. Ma soro no wa gwa we drama. Ema soro no wagwa we no take me gele seriously where emina yikue. I beg you all, watch whatever you say on social media. Don't threaten people. Just say things. Say things that you know that okay is common, no problem, but don't threaten people's life. Don't use death as things of social media. Don't do it. Don't do it. Anything that has to do with death, anything that has to do with go better. You know, a lot of people always use that word. Go and bet it. Go and bet it. Go and mark my word. It's not a good word. Those are threats. Those are threats. Allah who. How person go just come, you be person mama. You get children. And you get children for Isa house. You dey threaten other people children. How you want make all those ones can't react to your own? How? Only you are trying to fight multitude of people. And what of all those people now where you go say, you go jam now, maybe they can't pass you. They can't pass you. They just can't fair level your own. How will you feel? But then no worry a big way. Your words of your mouth put you into problem. Remove children. Remove children from your saga. Remove children. I keep on saying it. Remove children. Where man value or where other people value their own children. If you don't love your own child, that is your business. But other people love their own. But so long you are not telling the world that you don't love your own, allow those that love their own to look after their own. You not loving your own children is nobody's fault. And no one is coming to force you to love your own child. That is your own cup of tea. It is a syndrome, cold mother syndrome. Cold mother syndrome, I already said it the other day. But that is your problem. But don't go and push other people to the extent that they don't want to go. Why you swear my women no maheke? Why you swear all in the name of boasting? A boast ye metie ni bunwe. A boast. But the name is like do de buwane wa do awe iwa bata wa eti mine ima wonona but edo we ehun la ne go ni san hero. Enough of all this drama. All in the name I want to get many viewers, then you start saying what you are not supposed to say. My people, that's why I talk and reach, you know. It got some kind things where be say some people not go fit take. Me, I will not take it. Me, I know they take those things. I know they take them. I go get to the end. I will get to the end. So long I not come near you, I not come threatening your picking, I not come do this because this abroad, everybody know what they go on. Everybody know what they go on. So sometimes we have to really be careful. Really be careful. Wagia conscious. Where ke doka where you matter, egba ukaya buki ane uwe ganwa. Ukaya buki ane uwe ganwa ni. Oh, imo we ukaya buki ane ba. Maybe for investigation and all those stuff. But at the end of the day, you end up losing your own children as well. Because where you can do a government give you more. A government give you more. Why you gonna threaten them? It's not good. It's not a good thing. Don't make video to threat a life-threatening situation. Don't threaten people. Say your things, do your things, and you get out there. Then you, because you want to talk, or now you can't talk pass, now you can't do a big wage pass, then you can't say, okay, I must do this, I must use, may they fear me. May they no say I get power. May they no say I do this. And it's possible, these people where you they talk, now you now know they go Nigeria. But these people, now Nigeria be their home every now and then. Iyana iwiya do ya isi one no lohomanu we who we see iyan those can see you egbevo. How will you feel? How will you feel? Social media is not to threaten people's life. Social media is not to bet with people. Social media is not for exaggeration. Just say your own things and live there. It's not to threaten, especially when it has to do with children. Because the time you are threatening other people's children, they also will also know that your own children, they are not safe with you. Only your woman will be. Because for you now to go threatening, say, now so I go buy this one picking, I go buy that one picking, I go buy that one picking. Then you they tell the police people, say, your own picking not they safe with you. That anything that picking misbehave, you feel go buy your picking too. That's why I see and reach my people this afternoon. I don't want to stay long. If I have time, I can come out in the evening. But why I don't want to come out often this evening, or I like to come out in the evening, but why agree ovime or we done, so it needs quietness, which I promise I give to him. You know, so because social media, especially when you are talking political things, you don't know when you get pissed off. So that's why I tried doing this one this afternoon. So it's like that. And people, I greet you now. Una do well. Thank you all for listening. Please help me to share this video. No matter what in this life, no matter what, not be only social media, not be only for Facebook. Oh. If you get quarrel with somebody, no threatening that person, no. No threatening that person, no. No go do video where it be say, the person feel keep on down. You understand? In case of incasity where it be say, then go come they use that thing to trace you. No do one. Don't leave information, let me say, don't leave anything behind. In case where it be say, they want to investigate you. Don't do it. Because they threatening somebody now. You are leaving traces behind that you are not a good person. That you are dangerous. You understand? Because some people, they do drama, they do all those sort of things. But you are just telling the public space that you are not a good person. You are demonic. You are demonic. So I wonder, people wey see they enjoy all this when I talk of kili. It not be good thing, eh? It not be good thing. I dey tell you now, it not be good thing. Please, it's my advice. Remove children, remove threat from all what you people are doing. I beg you all. Don't threat. Allow, I beg. I just got the thing, eh? I don't know. Some people, they know they use sense. They know they use sense talk. Until somebody enter problem for this social media, where it be say, they'll come say, Ogbaligbe carry that person. He did jail for a very long time. I believe maybe it go be example for others to learn from. Especially ni ori manivye dona ni wawe drama every day ezo okbaga gwa nokba zingbe we o ma igwo mana gwa gome wa ewe error very oni rather when I go gwa we ahiangi ladian udo ladian with a threat udo ladian with a threat and which is very very bad gbensoro wagia eme alo ma gbe wi o ma go egon you can just choose where lao is there get wa itogo many you can do it eri emi rokpa yin we gbere o ma make we to moha umuhi gbina no don't come out and come and be doing drama the mama expect you from Opowe. You are using it to destroy yourself. You are making others to now know where you are truly a demonic person. You might come outside, you might be jovial, you might be funny, people might love you, but the moment you made that mistake of being going through too extra minds, doing things in extravagant way that people will not know where then people will run away from you. You might be thinking they are your friend, but they already know where is a demon. If you do this one for social media, which one can't they do behind closed door? So now so it be, my people. I greet you all this afternoon. Help me share this video. Don't know the moon and know they threat anybody, eh? Why you got threatening them, huh? It's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Because anything can happen and you can go in for it. When I will see some people those days for Africa, they'll say, hey, this person, when they're in with and they quarrel, now so he threatening this one. And truly the other one, something can't happen to her. Then the person, because of your threats, it don't happen for Benin. It don't happen for Benin those days. It don't happen for Benin. You threatening somebody. The person at the end of the day, after few weeks later, something happened to that one. Then they go carry who threatening her. Say yes, now you doing. Enough fit deny her because now waiting the talk come out for him out. Say he won't do. It's a crime in Africa, not to even talk of Europe. Oh, now they take things easy, my people. I agree to now. Thank you all so much. Thank you all. God bless you. Have a lovely day. If I can in the evening, I make my dialogue. If it's okay, I can come out for politics. Thank you all.